Millions of UK pensioners are waking up to something completely unexpected happening inside their bank accounts this month. And for many, it has already caused shock, confusion, and in some cases panic. A mysterious 6-digit code, never before used on this scale, is suddenly appearing beside pension payments, and the Department for Work and Pensions has now confirmed that every pensioner in the United Kingdom must check for it immediately. This is not optional. This is not a rumor circulating online. This is an official, nationwide verification sweep ordered by the DWP, and it could determine whether your next pension credit, or winter fuel payment arrives on time or gets delayed, paused, or even temporarily stopped. Before you watch anything else today, stay right here, because what you're about to hear could directly affect your money this month. Welcome to Pensioners Power, your trusted source for everything you need to know about pensions, retirement planning, and financial wellness. Here, we cover the latest news, expert insights, and essential updates to help you maximize your retirement years. Whether it's understanding pension schemes, making the most of your savings, or staying informed about financial changes, you're in the right place. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. Now, let's jump right into today's topic. Across the country, millions of pensioners are being strongly urged to check their bank accounts for a very specific 6-digit reference code linked to DWP payments. Missing this code, ignoring it, or failing to verify it when asked could put your payments at risk, not because of any wrongdoing on your part, but because the DWP is conducting a full-scale review of payment verification systems this month. The goal, they say, is to modernize the system, reduce fraud, eliminate errors, and ensure every payment lands in the correct bank account. But in the process, they need every pensioner to play their part. And that starts with checking your most recent bank statement. So let's break this down clearly and calmly. What exactly is this 6-digit code? Why is it suddenly appearing? What does it mean for your payments? Who needs to find it? And most importantly, what should you do if you cannot find it anywhere on your bank statement? To understand what's happening, picture the scale of this operation. The DWP is currently carrying out one of the largest payment verification exercises ever seen. It affects state pension claimants on both the old basic state pension and the new state pension. It affects pension credit claimants, many of whom rely on this support as a lifeline for day-to-day living costs. It affects those receiving winter fuel payments, which are critical as temperatures drop and energy bills rise. And it also affects those whose pension age benefits interact with other systems, such as housing benefit, council tax reduction, and age-related financial support. The 6-digit code is essentially a new reference number being attached to DWP payments. When you open your online banking or check your paper statement, you might see this new number beside your usual DWP payments. It may appear in the reference field, the payment details, the expanded transaction view, or even in the description itself. This code allows the DWP to cross-match payment records with bank account details and confirm that everything is up to date. The code serves three major purposes. First, it confirms that the payment was correctly issued to your specific national insurance number. Second, it verifies that the bank details held by the DWP match the account receiving the money. And third, it allows the DWP to identify claimants who may need further checks, updates, or confirmation to prevent delays or suspensions. But why is this happening now? According to the latest communication from officials, the DWP has been working for years to modernize pension payments. Many of their systems were built decades ago and are being replaced with more secure digital processes. Fraud prevention plays a big role, but so does accuracy. Far too many pensioners have experienced overpayments or underpayments due to outdated systems. and this verification effort is part of fixing these issues permanently. As part of this modernization, the DWP has activated a new verification mechanism that requires this 6-digit code to show up correctly. If it does, everything is fine. If it does not, your account may be flagged for review. That is why checking your bank account right now matters. It's not just helpful, it's essential. If you bank online, your first step is to log into your account. Navigate to the transaction history for the current month. Look specifically at your most recent state pension or pension credit payment. Near that payment, you should see the new 6-digit code. It might appear in the reference column. It might show only when you click for more details. Some banks hide parts of references behind expandable tabs, so make sure to click or tap for the full payment information. If you don't use online banking, don't worry. Your paper bank statement from this month will show the same information. The code will appear next to or below the description of the DWP payment. If you still cannot find it, you can visit your local bank branch and ask the staff to help you locate payment references on your recent transactions. They are familiar with these checks and should be able to help immediately. The moment you find the code, write it down or keep it somewhere safe. In most cases, simply seeing it on your statement is enough to confirm your payment has been processed properly. However, the DWP may send letters to some pensioners asking them to confirm this code as an additional security step. If you receive such a letter, do not ignore it. Follow the instructions exactly. This might require calling a specific helpline, visiting an online portal, or posting a form back to the DWP. Now, let's address one of the most important questions. What if you cannot find the code anywhere? If the code isn't there, this could mean your details aren't fully updated. It could also mean the payment was processed before the system update. Or it could indicate a more serious issue, such as missing information, mismatched bank details, or a delayed payment waiting for verification. Whatever the reason, you must contact the DWP straight away. You can call the pension service on 87,310,469 for state pension queries. If your concern is related to pension credit, the number is 800,991,234. Both lines are open Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. You will need your national insurance number and your bank details when you call. Please be aware that call wait times may be longer than normal this month due to the nationwide verification exercise. Try calling at less busy times such as early morning or late afternoon. As always, it is crucial to understand what you should never do during this process. The DWP will never cold call you asking for your 6-digit code. They will never ask you to confirm it by email or text. If you receive an unsolicited message asking for the code, treat it as a scam. Hang up the phone. Delete the text. Report the email. Scammers often exploit confusion during official updates like this, and pensioners must remain vigilant. Let's consider some common real-life scenarios. If you recently switched bank accounts, make sure the DWP has your updated details, and ensure your pension is landing in the correct account with the correct code. If you recently moved home, check that the DWP has your new address so any verification letters reach you on time. If a family member manages your finances, or you have an appointee or power of attorney, make sure they are aware of this new requirement and can check your accounts on your behalf. If you use a post office card account or have funds paid into a similar service, visit your local branch. Staff can print your latest transaction history and show you the DWP payment codes. If there is a problem that cannot be fixed quickly, such as a missing payment or a mismatch in your records, the DWP may issue emergency payments while your case is being reviewed. Ask about this when you call. It is also extremely important to keep full records of everything you do. Write down the date and time when you checked your bank account. Keep notes of any payments that appear or do not appear. If you call the DWP, write down the name of the person you spoke to and what they said. File any letters you receive somewhere safe. This will help you if you need to escalate your case to the DWP, to your MP, or to an ombudsman in the future. If you find the process overwhelming or confusing, remember you are not alone. Age UK has trained advisors who can help you check your bank statements and understand what steps to take. Citizens Advice and local support centers can also provide guidance. Please do not struggle in silence. Support is available. Looking to the future, this verification method will likely become more common as the DWP continues to update its payment systems. Learning how to identify payment references now will make everything easier in the coming months and years. Checking your statements regularly is a powerful way to catch problems early, not only DWP issues, but also unusual account activity or unexpected charges. As we near the end of this update, the essential message is simple. Check your bank account. Look for the 6-digit DWP verification code. If it's there, keep it safe. If it's not, contact the DWP immediately. This small step could prevent delayed payments, suspended benefits, or unnecessary stress over your finances this month. Your pension is not a gift. It is not a favor. It is money you worked your entire life to earn, and you deserve to receive it safely, accurately, and on time. Taking just a few minutes today to check this code could protect your financial stability during one of the most important months of the year. Thank you for watching Pensioners Power. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Stay informed, stay engaged, and we'll see you in the next video with more insights on the issues that affect the UK. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.